NBC took Wednesday's primetime ratings with Macy's 4th of July fireworks display, per the Nielsen overnights, 18-49. NBC scored an overall 1.17 in primetime. CBS was second with a 0.74, led by a new episode of Big Brother. The Macy's fireworks special aired live from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and did a 1.59, averaging 8.9 million total viewers. The repeat showing of the fireworks at 10 p.m. did a 0.95 and averaged 4.89 million viewers. CBS had repeats of Young Sheldon before a new episode of Big Brother, rated a 0.95, down 40% from last week's Wednesday premiere. Code Black followed and rated a 0.63. ABC and Fox tied at a 0.42 and both had repeats in prime. Telemundo scored a 0.42 and Univision did a 0.32. The CW scored a 0.11 with repeats of the Howie Mandel stand-up gala and Whose Line Is It Anyway?